beautiful, you're a goddess. Baby, you're a queen, so no need to be modest. Cause there's nothing sexier than dark skin. Girl, I'm in love with your dark skin.
Hi guys, welcome back to the
every
ExoticATL channel with your girl, Miss Chi. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your own natural total care toothpaste. Now this toothpaste, y'all, is, I can't even explain to you how bomb it is. It's guaranteed to pull infections out of your gum, strengthen your teeth, whiten your teeth, and also get stains and different things like that off of your teeth. And it's a great way to start correcting the health of your mouth if you're contemplating getting any type of cosmetic surgery done. I'm in the process of getting my mouth healthy and stuff because I'm going to have cosmetic surgery. Woohoo! But before I do that, you know, I can't be walking around with bad breath and messed up teeth, so I got to get them on point. Right now, I'm kind of at a standstill because my mom is not able to fly because I need to get to a biological dentist to get these metal fillings and stuff removed out of my mouth. So, till my mom is able to fly and we're able to get to a biological dentist, you know, I have to do what I can do at home. And this toothpaste has helped me tremendously. I no longer have bad breath. As y'all know from the videos, my teeth is sparkling white. They might be bucked, but they white. And my gums appear to be healthier. Okay, so without further ado, let me show you how to make this toothpaste. Okay, my love, so what you're going to need first is some activated charcoal. You can get this at Whole Foods, any type of, I guess, grocery store or organic store. I'm not for sure. But this is activated charcoal. I got this from 7 Under. Regular baking soda. And then some organic virgin unrefined coconut oil. Now the great thing about this is each one of these can be used individually. So your activated charcoal is used to whiten your teeth and to also pull toxins out of your gums and your mouth. How you would use it, you would just wet your toothbrush, dip it in here, put it all in your mouth, all over your teeth, all over your gums, and let it sit for maybe like 10 minutes, and then brush your teeth as usual if you wanted to use this by itself. Everyone knows you can use baking soda by itself. Dip your toothbrush in it, brush your teeth with it. And the coconut oil is excellent for pulling infections out of your gums. And how you would use it, you would take a tablespoonful, put it in your mouth, and just swish it around in your mouth for a minimum of 20 minutes. I say 30 minutes, but 20 minutes, and then just spit it out and then brush your teeth as normal if you wanted to use these individually. So each one of these can be used individually. And these are the 3 ingredients to the Total Care toothpaste. What you're going to do is scoop it in here. That's 1. And I guess we'll do about 4. 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so we did 4 scoops of the activated charcoal. Okay, close that back up because this stuff can get messy. Then we're going to take 4 scoops of baking soda. 1, 2, see how messy it is? 3, 4, and then we're going to use, I normally like for this to be melted down. Just leave it outside or in a warm place and it'll melt down, but it's not completely melted down. So we're going to use at 4 scoops of the coconut. And if you notice, we're using equal parts. So if you use 2 scoops of activated charcoal, use 2 scoops of baking soda and 2 scoops of the oil. Okay, and we're gonna put 4 in there. Or if you want to use 4 scoops of the activated charcoal, you can use 3 scoops of baking soda and 3 scoops of oil. It's totally up to you. However you want to make it it's kind of up to you at that point, as long as you have all the right ingredients in it. Okay, and then from there we're just going to stir. Okay, and then we're just going to mix it all together. And when you mixing, you know, you want to go slow, because this activated charcoal, as you can see, it just flies everywhere. But you just want to mix it in really, really good.
You deserve the world, nothing less. You're my world, don't need nothing else. So can we show some love to the sisters? Let them know we love them, put nothing above them. People, if you're with me, then clap your hands. If you're with me, then clap your hands. Can we show some love to the sisters? Let them know we love them, put nothing above them.
Also, if you want to add some type of mint flavor or whatever to it, you can get you some mint oil. It could be mint oil, peppermint oil. Just put a couple drops in it, like so. I only use like 2 drops because it's so strong. Mix it. That's just for like the flavor and to give you that minty toothpaste flavor. Dip your toothbrush in it, just like so. You don't even have to wet your toothbrush. Dip it on in there. And a brush. And brush them on. Now, for those of you that want more of a whitening, disinfecting experience, what you can do is get a piece of aluminum foil. Line the aluminum foil with your toothpaste like so. Then you would take it and line it in your mouth like this. Super clean. And voila! Keep the teeth pearly white and infection free. If you like this video or you found this video informative at all, give me a thumbs up and remember to hit the subscribe button below. And cheese.
There's nothing sexier than dark skin. Red bone, caramel, chocolate. Hold your head up, beautiful, you're a goddess. Baby, you're a queen, so no need to be modest. Cause there's nothing sexier than dark skin. Girl, I'm in love with your dark skin. Melody, woman, you're the best in every aspect.